Hi, hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can extract the tweets from Twitter. So basically, I'm using this software that has many modules. One of them is Twitter Extractor. Please, please subscribe to this channel as I'm going to be making more videos about all the different modules. But today I'm going to show you Twitter Tweets Extractor. Basically, this is the website. I'm going to go here with a few Twitter accounts that I already selected that I'm going to extract. This is very useful if you don't know how to get if you want to get content for your Twitter or for anything. You could use this for analyze your competition tweets and basically to get more content. So I just copy these daily quotes here and I paste it on this part here. It says profile URL. I just click navigate, and this is going to activate the web browser inside here that is going to show me all the different tweets from this user. So I'm going to just scroll down. The more I scroll down, the more tweets I'm going to get because Twitter basically loads more tweets whenever you scroll down. So I just will scroll down a little bit. Okay, so I think with those quotes are enough. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click this button here called Extract Tweets, and all the tweets from that page are getting extracted. So I get tons of tweets that I can use for my content. So basically, I can just save this and then reuse it to post later on my own Twitter. Here you have things interesting like daily quotes, daily success quotes. So it's always nice to put something about success or about something appealing uh, for your Twitter for your Twitter demographics. So in this case, I'm just going to clear the table. We're going to remove this one, and we're going to look for another Twitter. So I'm just going to copy here. You could look for jokes, you could look for news, you could look for anything that you want. So I just click navigate here, and basically you could even search through the different things here from the different sites here. You could look through there and then you will get more related profiles. Anyway, so I'm going to extract here these quotes from this site. I'm just going to scroll down to get more tweets. You can scroll down just to, depending on how many tweets you want to extract, you can scroll down, or you could just extract the ones that are the recent ones. Well, anyway, I'm going to extract the recent ones here, and I'm going to click here, extract tweets, and basically that is extracting the tweets from that specific user. This one didn't have too many, but if it had, it would show more quotes here. Okay, so this is how the software works. Let's just do one last one. This is the holistic quotes. You could do, as I said, for any kind of Twitter here. You could get for any kind of profile that you want. So I just will click navigate here, and I'm going to click scroll down a little bit just to get more tweets that I can extract. And once I do that, I'm just going to come back here and I'm going to click extract tweets. And there you go. It even extracts you the hashtags, and it extracts you the like who they are replying to, and it also gets you the author name of that tweet, so you know where you can get more content from. So for example, this one, love matters. If I get that one, I just click copy and I just paste it there, and I could get more tweets from that user. So that's how it works. You can save it here on Excel, and from this user it extracts 38 tweets. And also you could visit the profile there, just visit Twitter profile, and it opens the profile there, so you could check it out as well if you want to get more content, or if you want to get images from their feeds. Okay, so this is how it works. You can get this software on autopostingtools.com, Uh, I will make more videos, so please subscribe, like the video, share it everywhere, and if you get the software, you get really cool bonuses. You could check the bonuses on the page of thepostintools.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.